Carving a classic jack-o'-lantern face is a cherished Halloween tradition, but achieving crisp, clean results can be a challenge with ordinary tools. That's where our USA-made Carbide Burr die grinder tool bits come in. A game changer for anyone seeking precision, durability, and ease of use. Let's walk through how these specialized tool bits can elevate your pumpkin carving experience, especially when creating those iconic triangular eyes and nose that define a classic jack-o'-lantern. Start by selecting a cylindrical Carbide Burr. This shape is ideal for creating straight lines and sharp angles, making it perfect for carving those traditional triangle features. Carbide is an exceptionally hard material, meaning the burr will slice cleanly through pumpkin flesh with minimal effort and won't dull quickly, even after multiple carvings. Our USA-made Carbide burrs are manufactured to exacting standards, ensuring consistent results every time you use them. Begin with a clean, hollowed-out pumpkin. Use a marker to outline the triangles for the eyes and nose. Precision matters here, as the clarity of the classic face depends on sharp, well-defined shapes. With your die grinder fitted with the cylindrical Carbide burr, gently guide the tool along your outlines. Unlike traditional carving knives, which can slip or tear the pumpkin, the Carbide burr glides through, allowing for smooth, controlled cuts. The power of the die grinder, paired with the sharpness of the Carbide burr, means you can easily follow straight lines and create crisp corners. As you approach the corners of each triangle, the cylindrical burr's flat end lets you stop and pivot with accuracy, ensuring that every angle is sharp and symmetrical. This is often where other tools fall short, as they tend to round off corners or leave jagged edges. With our Carbide burr, you'll notice the ease of achieving clean, professional-looking triangles that really make your jack-o'-lantern stand out. Another advantage of using our Carbide burr is the reduced mess. The tool efficiently removes just the right amount of pumpkin flesh, minimizing ragged bits and stringy fibers that can mar your design. Once you've finished carving the eyes and nose, you'll find that the edges are smooth and ready for illumination. Perfect for a candle or LED light to shine through and create that classic glowing Halloween face. Safety is also enhanced with our tool bits. Because the Carbide burr allows for controlled, steady motion, you're less likely to experience slips or accidents that can happen with slippery traditional knives. Just remember to wear protective eyewear and follow basic safety precautions when operating your die grinder. And the best part? Our tool bits are built to last. Made in the USA from premium materials, they're designed for repeated use, not just on pumpkins, but on wood, plastic, and other materials. When Halloween is over, you can clean your Carbide burr and store it for next year, knowing it will perform just as well every time. If you're ready to take your jack-o'-lanterns to the next level with crisp, classic faces that turn heads on Halloween night, give our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits a try. You'll be amazed at how much easier and more enjoyable the carving process becomes. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more creative ideas for using our tools, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We love hearing from you, so drop your Halloween stories, carving tips, or your favorite jack-o'-lantern designs in the comments below. Let's keep the spirit of Halloween alive, one classic face at a time.